In the previous section, we have learned some basic knowledge about Python programming. Next, let's take a look at Python's data types. Data type is a very important concept. Different types of data can be stored in variables for different usage. By default, Python supports the following data types. Numeric, which is int, float, and complex. Int is a whole number. For example, 1, 5, 7, or -10. Float is a number that contains a decimal point. For instance, 3.1 or 8.0. Complex numbers are written in the form x plus yj. Where x is the real number part and y is the imaginary part. And for text, we have string. String is a sequence of characters. For example, AI is cool. This is a string. There are also sequences, which include list, tuple, and range. And there are also mapping types, set types, Boolean types, and binary types. We will take a closer look at these data types in the exercise later. After we know the data types of Python, we can learn how to perform different operations on data. In the exercise, I will show you deep copy and shallow copy, and different operations on those data. Now, let us open Jupyter Notebook and start coding.